I went in for a knee replacement. Came out part human, part hardware. Here's how AI kept this channel's heartbeat going while I was offline.
Yeah, that happened. Model T knee installation. Full manual mode, no Skynet, just skilled humans and one very cooperative robot assistant. The dream? Way better than the reality of pressing pause for a bit. Here's the plot twist. Sora 2 dropped literally days before my surgery. Perfect timing, right? I immediately started generating footage for my Sora 2 review videos. Then, mid-prompt session, a thought hit me. What if I can't make long-form content during recovery? So I pivoted. Generated a bunch of 15-second shorts, just in case. Turns out that paranoia saved the channel. Those shorts? They kept posting while I was icing my new hardware. Sora 2 was excellent at 15 seconds. But I wanted more. 30 seconds. 60 seconds. The kind of shorts that tell actual stories. So I waited for Veo 3.1.
Veo 3.1 finally launched.
Still 8 seconds with an option to extend, but you may lose scene continuity. It wasn't much better than I was doing with Veo 2 and Veo 3. Not quite the revolution I was hoping for, but I could still make it work. While I was under the robotic arm, I had weird thoughts go on in my mind. I dreamed that it was a few months ago when AI planned my last trip, and I thought I would be surfing in Morea. Could I still do that? Would I need a walker? Would I become robotic? Then I drifted off to skiing in the Alps. I never skied in the Alps, but had the same thoughts. And hospital gowns aren't exactly alpine ready. Here's the thing about this channel now. I've got two audiences. My AI longform crew who want the technical information on the latest technology, including AI and home automation, and my shorts audience who want to see what new problems my avatar gets himself into. My new mission? Do both. Whew. Most of the shorts came about because I was testing Sora 2, comparing it to Veo 3, and making short videos to test and compare. I wanted to make sure that when I talk about a technology in my long-form videos, I actually know the technology. Another guilty secret, the short-form videos were fun. I liked getting creative when creating the videos. Just typing in a simple prompt was boring. Having an interesting video was fun. Even for this video, that little hospital gown gag Veo 3 wouldn't generate, I had to switch to Kling to get it. So shorts are my creative outlet and my tests for various video generators, image generators, voice generators, and even music generators. My long-form videos are what I learned from those tests. If you're here for technology and AI, more videos are on the way. If you're here for the shorts universe, that continues too. And if you just want to know what is going on with me, there is always the AI Didn't Plan This series. All the playlists are linked. Pick your adventure. The adventure started a few months ago on a cruise ship in the South Pacific, then continued recently on the maiden voyage of a ship in the Caribbean. You know, with my new knee, I have to go back to Disney and on another cruise, and of course, as usual, AI has to plan this trip. And even though I am still recovering, I am using the new ChatGPT browser, Atlas, to help plan my trip. And you know I am going to have a review of this new browser soon, so stay tuned. Knee replacement wasn't on the itinerary, but once again, plot twist, I am doing great and I can't complain. Maybe others will complain. And FYI, Veo wouldn't generate that scene either. Kling to the rescue, like they say in the movies. I'll be back.